Hey guys, this is Hookup Brothers and this is Andrew, and our topic for today is setup for tuna. Right now tuna is limits and all landing, seaport landing, fisherman's landing, and Point Loma, S&M landing. They have limits of bluefin, and sizes is like 30 to 60 pounds. Sometimes they have like 60 to 120 pounds. It depends on the boat. And for the setup for tuna, mostly they're using a night jig right now, and they're catching at night. I think they start maybe 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, and they drop the jigs really fast and then crank it really fast back, and then you're gonna hit the tuna. And for my opinion, and Hookup Brothers, in my opinion, I have my setup here, Valiant Accurate 800, and what do you call this? And my rod is GrabTech 7/8 100 to 130 pounds, 100 to 130 pounds, 7/8, and I like this one because a little bit have a bone in here, backbone in here. When you hook up, it's much better to a little bit heavy rod. If you catch a big one, you have a what do you call this? It's easy to bring him up, the tuna. And my setup is like 100 pounds braided, and I have 80 pounds of mono on my top shot, and my connection is FG, and then FG nut for braided to mono, and then after the mono I have a setup of what do you call this? A fluorocarbon, 200 pounds of fluorocarbon, if you can see it. That's my setup, and I connect a San Diego nut in here, and then 200 pounds of fluorocarbon, and then up to that, and then that's my jig. Actually, this is a hot jig last year, and this color, the tuna like this color. And it's hard to find the 400 grams right now. I don't know in the landing if they have now, if they have stock. And I got this from Turner, and it's good. And the good thing with this is the knife jig, when you drop it, compared to what do you call this? When you compare to flat pole is when you drop it, the flat pole, because when the boat is running, the captain gonna see the tuna schools, and the captain said drop. Even the boat is still running really slow, but the current of the water is gonna be on the back, going that way. When you drop the flat pole gonna be, you end up all the way to the end of the boat. The difference with this one, the knife jig, when you drop it, especially you have like 400 and 500 grams of jigs, knife jig, when you drop it, the what do you call this? The knife is gonna be straight like this, straight up, and then the tuna gonna attract in your jig, and then they're gonna bite it. Compared to the flat pole is gonna be all the way into the end of the boat. Before that flat pole go down straight, your line gonna be straight. The knife jig's already beat already. He's cranking already. He have tuna already. That's the difference with the flat pole. That's why my experience last time with the tomahawk, I using a flat pole, and then when I drop it, and then always we end up all the way to the end of the boat, because the current of the water is going that way, and then after After you settle the water, you go down slowly like this, and really slow before you got beat. Now, I have suggestion right now for you guys. Now, mostly, I'm gonna put this one on my here, and mostly my jig. Can you notice this? My jig is already set up. My jig is already set up like this, like this. I set up with a 200 fluorocarbon already. I rig it like this, and now every time I'm gonna change my jigs or my platform, I need to cut my line and then connect again. Now the problem with this is you need to put in your tackle box, and a lot of lines you're gonna tangle each other inside your tackle box because of you have line like this. Now I just found out that maybe I need to change my setup. Now I did is I made a setup like this, It's already set up like this. Now I connect to my to my mono, 80-pound mono, and now every time I change my jigs that I want, maybe you have a lot of jigs that you want to change it right away. Maybe you didn't hit the tuna because of the color, of the sizes, of the shape of your jigs. You need to change it. Now you're not gonna cut the line, and now you have to do now is like this. Okay, I'm gonna get my pliers in here, take this out. If you can see it, I'm gonna close this back here. Okay, and I'm gonna bring my camera closer to me. Okay, and take out from here. And you save a lot of money, because if you're gonna set, I have I'm not kidding, maybe I have like 50 jigs right now, different kind of jigs and platform. And now I bought 2 rolls of this, like $80, like this. I'm gonna show you what I have. This is the one I have. I bought 2 rolls of this, and I use 1 roll already. If you can see it, I used 1 roll already. Now I waste it. I cut the whole thing already, and now because of my setup, I just gonna change like this. I just get my pliers, take this out, and more faster than you make a knot. It makes sense. Now I don't need this one. I'm gonna change to my another setup. Okay, maybe I need to change to this. Maybe I'm gonna change this color. Okay, just put it in again like this. Easy. And you have another setup again. How fast it is. You see? Instead of cutting line every time because you have setup, it's good like that. But the problem is you're gonna tangle in your tackle box, and now every time you're gonna cut it because you wanna change it. Now it's easy. Just change like this. It's so easy. Now I wanna change again. Okay, I'm gonna set up for maybe aluminous. Okay, I want to change again. How easy it is. Put it down. I need my another knife jig, 300 grams. How many grams it is? 350 grams. Change again. Change again like this. Okay, put inside here. And ready to go. How easy it is. And drop again. As long as you drop, you're gonna catch tuna. Right now, man, I'm so excited already. I'm so excited to go fishing, and all my friends and hookup brothers in here, everybody wants to go fishing. But you know what, I have another plan. Maybe I'm gonna go on June and July. and I'm gonna show some videos. I hope I can catch my limit. And for now, Hookup Brothers, that's my setup for now. I have an accurate 800 2-speed and 80-pound setup, and all my rods, you can see it, all my rods, you can see the number here, 80 pounds. It means that 80 pounds mono, and this one. And every time I grab my things, I know what I need, when I need to grab, because all my rod have numbers 80 from 25 to 100. Now if you can see the number, okay, 100, I need 100, I just grab it. I need a 25 line, I'm looking for a 25 on my rod and grab it, and that's my setup. It's easy to find. Instead of looking, you need to touch your line. Like, oh, this is a 25 line, or this is a 30-pound line, 40-pound line. You need to think. But if you have set up already, you number your rod, or you number your fishing reel, it's easy and more what do you call this, you save time. And it depends, you know, when you go fishing, it depends what you're gonna encounter on the ocean. And you encounter the kelp, you need to go down to 40, 30, 25. You're going to what do you call this, bottom fishing, or the night jig fishing, platform fishing, you need to go to heavy, 60, 80, 100, 120, whatever you like. And advice to you, that's my setup. It's already set up on my reel, on my rod. I want to change my thing, just take out from here, from this one, take it out and change another jigs, the one you like. And I hope that's my idea can help you guys. This is Hookup Brothers. I hope you can catch your limit wherever you go. You can go today, you can go anytime today. Man, go out and go fishing and share your videos, share your experience so we can watch it. And please subscribe on YouTube channel on Hookup Brothers. Please share, subscribe, and comment, and I will answer your questions and suggestions, and so we have a communication in our YouTube channel. And I love you guys. This is Hookup Brothers. I hope my ideas can help you for how you're gonna be, what is the best setup for tuna fishing for night jig. Yeah, that's our topic for today. Okay, Hookup Brothers, and God bless you all, and I love you guys. Thank you.